Hello, hello. Hope you're well. Today we want to go through Excel overview. So basically, we want to keep it very simple so that you understand from the basics in terms of what is Excel, how does it look like, how do you navigate through. And that's our first thing that we want to tackle. So on my screen, it's an example of an Excel file that is open. So I just want to take you through the various, I want to take you through the various overview of the interface in terms of what is this, what is that. Then from there, we'll get to familiarize ourselves with the Excel layout. So the first thing that you're going to start with is the title bar. So the title bar usually is located at the topmost level of an Excel sheet. So if you open an Excel sheet, whatever appears up here, it's what is called the title bar. Just a moment. Yeah, whatever appears up here is the title bar. So it basically gives you the title. You're able to see how the file has been named. Oh yeah, at least now you can see. Yeah, the title bar, it's up there. So that's the title bar. So what else are we able to learn about the layout? So the next thing is whatever is appearing slightly below the title bar, which is the ribbons. Okay. So under the ribbon, we get to see the home, insert, page layout, formulas, data, review. So whatever appears below there, that's what is called the ribbon bar. So remember, we have the title bar at the topmost, then we have the ribbon. So the ribbon is basically the toolbar at the top, containing tabs. Okay. So that's it. Then the next thing that you're able to see, it's called the quick access toolbar. So where is the quick access toolbar? Quick access toolbar, it's right here. So basically, it does contain, uh, uh, it basically contains sort of like the shortcuts. Okay. So the commands that I frequently use. So in my case, I have save, undo, redo, uh, attach on email, fill, uh, and many others. Filter, freeze. Okay, so that's the quick access toolbar. Then if we move now slightly, we go to the formula bar. So formula bar is right here. So formula bar right here. So it happens when you want to see, when you want to see the active cells, or you want to see the content in terms of if you want to see the formula that is in the cell. So you just come on the formula bar. So case in point, say for example, we have 10 and we have 20. Then right here, we do the sum of it. So if we click on the, sorry, if we click on the total here, don't worry about it. We'll just get to know step by step how to do sum and everything. So if you click on the sum here, and check on the formula bar, we're able to see the formula that is applicable. Okay. Okay. Then the next thing is now the name box. It's called name box. Usually it's located on the left of the formula bar. So right here. Okay. Yeah, so you can name a cell from here. So it's able to show you that now we are in which cell, like this one is in C1, D1, F1. So it's basically showing you the name of the cell. So with time, we'll be able to take you through how you can you can be even able you can be able to name ranges. Yeah, to name ranges. So the next thing that you're able to see is the whole of this area. It's called worksheet area. It's where you can type your stuff, everything that you're working on. It's called the worksheet area. Okay. With the worksheet area has got cells. So like cell E1, as you said, if you want to confirm the cell name, you just come here to the here on the far left. Yes. Under the name box. So that's where you're able to see the cell reference. Okay. Then if we come at the bottom, we have got what we call the sheet tabs. Okay. So it's usually located at the bottom of the workbook. So it helps you to navigate through various sheets. So for example, my Excel file here has got only one sheet, but I can add various sheets. So say you have sheet 1 that has got different type of data, sheet 2 has got another set of data. So it helps you to navigate through various sheets. So you can have multiple sheets. Remember, it's possible to rename the sheet. Say, for example, you want to give it a specific name, just right click. Once you've right clicked, you click on rename. Then you can rename it, maybe workings file. Okay. Then this sheet 1, you can rename it. Remember, you right click, then come to rename here. Then can rename it maybe to your summary sheet. Something interesting about it is that you can also give it colors. Okay. Okay. Yeah, let me just handle that now. So you just right click, tab color, then you can choose whichever color that you want. So it's got very amazing capabilities that can make your work look simple, look presentable, and to organize it in a way in which somebody else can be able to follow. Okay. Then we have the status bar. So the status bar is usually found at the bottom right here. Okay. So my current status bar is showing as ready mode. Okay. So it's usually found at the bottom and it provides information about the current mode. So my current mode is on ready. Okay. And other times you can find it displaying details like sum, average, count of. Okay. So what I'm talking about is, remember we had done the sum here. So if I highlight all this, I can find the average, count, some numerical count, and the sum. So it's also you can get such kind of details from the status bar. Okay. Then scroll bars. So scroll bars are usually found at the far right. Okay. So right here, the far right of the Excel sheet. So you can scroll up if your data set, if Excel has got numerous data that goes from maybe cell in in row 1 to maybe row 1000. So how do you navigate through? You can use the scroll bar there at the top right to navigate from end to end. And there's also a scroll bar at the bottom that helps you navigate from columns. So columns, from column A, you can move towards the right to column B and AH. So whichever file that, or whichever contents that you want to see, you can use to navigate it. So you use the bar at the bottom to move horizontally, and the bar at the far right to move vertically, to move up and down, and the one below used to move from side to side. Then what else can we be able to see? View buttons. So where's the view button? It's right here. So it can show you the page layout in terms of the page layout, if you want to have a page break view. So basically you can use to split your data. Probably you want to print and you want to make it appear in a certain way. You want certain cells to appear in the first page and all that. You can use that as well to just make your data look neat. Yeah. So that is the general overview of Excel. So you're able to identify. So what is, where do you find it? What do you see here? What are these? And with time we'll get to know their functionalities. Maybe just to handle the tabs. Okay. If you just allow me to handle the key tabs and their functions. So remember we had mentioned that at the right here on the ribbon, we have tabs. So the likes of home, sorry. So the likes of home, insert, page layout, formula, data. So probably if we can just quickly rush through and see what each contains. So if we go to home where we are, so it basically contains basic formulas and commands, formatting and commands. So example, we have fill color, we have bold. So stuff to do with font. Again, you can have the functionalities right here, the font size, alignment, if you want to align left, right, conditional formatting, the styles that you can use to make your data look appealing. So those are the ones that are found on the home ribbon, on the home tab. Okay. Then the next one is insert. So insert here, you get to see other sets of capabilities. Okay, so it allows you to insert the tables, pivots, graphs, and charts. So it's organized in a way that it's easy to navigate. So if you want to insert something, just come to the insert tab. Okay, insert tab, then it gives you a number of functionalities that are available. Then we go to the page layout. So this is basically enables you to see or to present your data in a given way. So if you want to, for example, put colors, set the margins, the orientation, you want to put the orientation, you want to set the size, width, so various capabilities, but it's all boils down to the layout in terms of the appearance. Then the next one is formulas. So formula bars well here can have given capabilities as well on the formula tab right here, and lookup and reference, auto sum, various capabilities that are here. Okay. So formulas tab, then we have data tab. So data tab here as well, you get to you get to get other capabilities such as transform data while you're using macros, using different tools to analyze the data. So you have massive data, you can come on the data tab here to sort as well, to convert your text to column, to use your what if and goal seek. So various capabilities that with time we'll get to understand and review as well. Then we've got the review tab. So review tab as well, additional capabilities that Excel has. So proofing, checking accessibility in terms of who you want to access and merge cells, what do you want them to see, and various capabilities. So if you want to protect your sheet in terms of setting password, if you want to restrict editing, where do you want edits to be done from right here. So it's got really great capabilities. Then lastly, we go to view. So view as well here, it's got additional capabilities. So page breaker. Now remember we saw it down here, but if you want to use the ribbon to access the tab as well, it's available here. So if you want to hide the grid line so that it becomes just plain, if you want to hide the formula bar as well, the heading. So if you, depending on how you want to custom make your Excel, then it will really it will really be of help if you come to the view tab. So I won't touch on automate and the others that are appearing. So that is for other functionalities that I've added, but basically in your Excel, if you open it, you'll be able to see up to view here. Okay, so if you have an advanced, probably Microsoft 365, that's when you'll be able to see these others capabilities that are on the right of my head. So just assume these others, but remember we want to keep it simple and touch on the basics. Okay, so remember today what you've learned: general overview of the Excel in terms of the title bar, the ribbon, what you're able to see here, formula bar, and everything. The worksheet area and the various worksheets that we've been able to navigate through, and very many things. Okay, so we want to keep it simple. So today, I think we end it there. So keep familiarizing yourself with the Excel, how it looks, where do you find what, okay, what are the names of the various parts, quick access, how, where are they, in which position are they located. Then from there, it will become easier once you identify where they are located. Yeah, so thank you so much, and see you on the next one.